Okay, skirt's all done. So now we'll get the drawers. They're just gonna slide in right here, this left one. Okay, this is mainly just to help space out your front panels. So we've got, we've finished with E, panel E. Now right next to it, we're gonna go to panel F. With the door. Now I'll include a couple spacers here. You know what, before we start with F, and I have these two spacers, we're going to attach the backs of these stabilizer bars. These just strengthen the front panels because they don't attach to the bottom. R goes on the back for the right side and the L for the left side. And then these are using the short 1-inch screws, and I laid them just on these little plexiglass spacers that I will give you. And just find there's a pre-drilled hole already in there. Put it there. And of course the front is going to attach to the panel as we get it there. Okay. Take the spacers out. You're going to use the spacers actually. I'm going to need 3 inch and 5/8 screws. Put your spacers right on the drawer. Okay. And then this panel just sit right on them. And it's just mainly to help you line up the panels. So you got your top one. There's 3 of them all together. Okay. Then you can take these spacers out, put them over on this side, and we're going to panel G across on the other corner. Once again, 3 inch and 5/8 screws. Set that right on your spacers. Short screws out of here. Good. I'll move this spacer. Keep that one there. This one to this side. And right now I would go ahead and take the 1-inch screws, 1 to each side, and it's just easier now to put one of these screws for the front You can just barely stick it out there. Stick it through and you can find the pre-drilled hole for this one, which is supposed to be, there we go. Okay, let's do this for the other one. Okay, and those will be good. The other two you will attach once we get the final panel in, which is panel H. And that will just set right on there, in between. And the places for you to attach this is in the door frames. These are 1 5/8" screws. Of course, I'm running out of battery for my gun. I will be right back. We have a middle screw here in each side. There will be a bottom screw through the bottom door. 2 more 1 5/8". Now you can start these. What's really good too is that get your 1" screws and finish the stabilizer bars for this middle panel, and they will help just suck it in. Okay, and then just finish with tighten that guy. That guy, and we're done. You take these spacers out, should not be needed. Okay, we're good there. 2 more things to do. That's our tops, and I've got a front left, so that's just going to fit over this, just like that. And the front right, just kind of friction fit them in there. On the top is 1" screws. And actually, I've got a total of 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 per side, so 14 of those. Anyway, just get all of those down, and that's it. That's your flight cage.